To find the downloads on iPhone 17 Pro Max, first of all, you have to open the settings. Now you have to scroll all the way down, go into the applications, and search for Safari or the other browser that you are using. In most cases, people are actually using Safari. Now, what we are looking for is the downloads folder, and check where the download is set. In the most cases, you will get iCloud Drive, but sometimes you can get on my iPhone. Now, when you know where's the destination, you have to open App Library, go into the Files, and click here, over here at the top. Wait a minute. We have to go into the Browse, go back from this one, and we got all of those downloads here, right? Selected. So when you tap over here, we can switch into our iPhone, into iCloud, for example. There we go. So we can find all of those locations. As you can see on my iPhone, we can find downloads, and also on iCloud Drive, we can find downloads. So two places, depends what is the destination as default.